So credit card companies can remove your late payments, but usually they're going to say that they're not going to remove it. They're going to say we have to report something accurately, but some people email the CEOs and ask them, they beg them, can you please remove this from my credit reports? I'm trying to buy a house. I'm trying to get a car. I just want to do a hurricane, whatever you want to tell them. But the CEO sometimes will remove it. I suggest you guys writing a letter to the company and actually just calling them over the phone to see if they can remove it. Now, this is going to be a hit or miss. Sometimes they'll say, hey, I removed the late payment, but I can't remove anything from your credit reports. The late fee, should I say, but they cannot remove the late payment. So, you guys have to take whatever they're going to tell you with something like that. I just tell people to try to always make sure you have auto payment set up, auto pay, so that you don't have to worry about having these late fees. Because if they're reporting you 30 days late, that is hurting your credit score so much, and it's hurting your chances of getting more credit. So I always tell people how to auto pay set up, and you don't have to worry